Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you doing? How is the day? Today we are going to run through everything we have taught in the class. And our first topic we did was animal farm, which we say farm animals are animals kept in the farm for food, work, or as pets. List examples of animals we said cow, donkey, goat, horse, chicken. We also looked at the importance of these farm animals, which said it provides us with food, it helps us in work, it helps us in getting jobs. It also provides us with wool and leather that are used for making our clothes. Then the next topic we thought was balanced diet. We said it's a food that contains the right amount of all classes of food which the body needs so that the body can grow well, stay strong, and remain healthy. We also looked at the composition of balanced diets, which are the carbohydrates, protein, fat and oil, vitamins, minerals. Composition, which is the classes of food. Now, we also defined different classes of food, which are the first thing we looked at is energy giving food, right? Which we say are food that provide energy to human beings and animals. We have classifications of these energy giving food. Energy giving food is also known as carbohydrate, right? So the two classifications are tubers and grains. Now, these tubers are also divided into two. We have root tubers, example are the cassava, carrots. Then we have stem tubers, which example Irish potatoes. Um, the second classification is grains. These are cereals. They are grown for the fruits they produce. Example, we have maize, rice, and millet. Now, we move ahead to look at bodybuilding foods, which is also known as proteins. They are food that help the body grow, build the muscle, and repair worn out tissues. Now, we have two classifications of this bodybuilding food, which are the plant origin. These are foods that are obtained from plants. Example, we have beans, lemon seed, granite, soya bean, and the rest. Then we have animal proteins. These are food obtained from animals. Example, we have fish, meat, uh, chicken, milk, and cheese, and the rest. So the next thing we looked at is vitamins. Vitamins, we said they can be fruits and vegetables. Now, vitamins are food that protect the body from disease. They are also known as protective foods. If you remember, I said the body needs a total of 13 vitamins. We have vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. These are the vitamins that I said you should not forget. We have vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin E, and vitamin K as well. So we looked at the fruits. The first part in vitamins, we're going to look at fruits, right? Yeah, fruits are parts of plants that contain seeds that are obtained from trees, vegetables, and grasses. They are sweet and juicy. Most of them are eaten raw or processed into fruit juice and smoothies. We make the example of that in class, if you remember. So examples of these fruits we have orange, mango, apple, strawberries, grapes. Now the vegetables. These vegetables are parts of plants that are eaten by human as food. This can be fruits, they can be seed, they can be tuber, bulbs, stem, leaves, or flowers. And we made examples under each of these. We said if it's bulbs, example, we have onion, garlic, and the rest. With leaves, we have cabbage, we have aleho, ugu. We mentioned it in class. Do you remember? We have flowers, that's the broccoli, we have the cauliflower. So, also, these vegetables are eaten raw and some are cooked. Examples, we have the tomatoes, carrots, onions, lettuce, broccoli, and cabbage. Now we have classification of these vegetables. We have leafy vegetables. These are the ones that are grown for their leaves. Example, we have water leaf, aleho, ayoyo, cabbage, lettuce, and the rest. Then we have root vegetables. These are the carrots, the beetroots, potatoes. Then we have the fruit vegetables. They are the tomatoes, okra, cucumber. Then we have bulb vegetables, onion, the garlic, flower vegetables, the broccoli, and cauliflower. So the next topic, which we didn't treat deep in the class, was fatty food and oil foods. That is fat and oil. Now, let's start with fats. Now, fat food are food that contain a lot of fat. They are solid in natural state. They are solid in their natural state, and they are classified into two. We have animal fat and plant fat. Now, we are going to look at it one after the other. Now, examples of these animal fats, we have shea butter, we have lard. Lard is a fat of pig. Then we have cheese, we have tallow. Tallow is a fat of cow. Now, the next one we're going to look at is oily foods. These are food that contain a lot of oil from plants or animals. Examples are the granite oil, the palm oil, the olive oil, coconut oil, soybean oil, and the rest. Now, in all, we have the uses of these fats and oil food. They provide energy, keep the body warm, also help absorb vitamins. It is used, the main use is for it's used in cooking and frying. Thank you very much. And please do comment below for your attendance. Everybody should write down their names so that I will see who attended the class.